Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys are safe and doing good at your places. In this video, we're gonna learn about a brief history of how data analytics industry has evolved, what was the requirement, and where does the tools like Power BI and Tableau and this visualization tool stands during the journey of solving data. So in 1947, there was this term that was coined called BET, and it means a mathematical theory of communication. So back then, mathematics and stats was used to solve the data. The data used to be very small, and it was used to interpret the numbers. And this is what data analytics is in basic terms. If I would say, it's a reading of the data, right? So like as the advertisement industry came into play, as the lots of marketing interventions happened, the digitalization happened, the amount of data that is generating has increased. There's a huge amount of data started generating up, and because of which there's a requirement of such kind of tools that can solve this huge amount of data has came up. Okay, so now this is the journey of data, right from the business problem to the recommendation, right? If there are any professionals watching out this video, you might know that there are certain kind of business problems that are provided to you, based on which you extract the data. Now you have the data, you do the data processing, the next step. In this, you clean the data. In case if the data is unstructured, you structure the data, and then the next process is EDA, is very important, the exploratory data analysis. In this, you create a content out of data, you derive out some meaningful sentences out of the data, which is required for your modeling purposes. The next step is modeling, in which you do some predictions, you apply some models, good machine learning models, and based on which you give the solutions, you recommend something to the business. Right now guys, this is very important to understand that there are two processes, there are two steps, the data pre-processing and the EDA, which are meant for Power BI, and this is where Power BI came into picture, right? To make this process very smooth and very easy, the tool has came into picture. So by Power BI, you can make exciting visualizations, dashboards, and like you have Power BI editor, you'll get Power BI editor wherein you can clean some amount of data. If the data is very much unclean, you have to use Python or R, and you cannot clean it in Power BI. But there are some set of tools which are aligned with Microsoft Excel that you can use to pre-process the data, and then the EDA. So now you know that where does Power BI stands in the journey of data solving, and so this basically it's a Microsoft tool, and it's a Microsoft software service, I would say, and you'll get it in the premium and the pro version and the basic version. So if you are a student, you can use the basic version, but if you are a professional, you should ask your company to get the premium version. And this was basically conceived by Thierry and Amir, and then this tool was designed by Ron George. So basically this tool was made to keep visualization and reporting and dashboarding into picture.